Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saman Gupta. Welcome to Traders Traders. So this is the daily analysis session, and in this session we will talk our next view for the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and other commodities section. Starting with our first, that is Nifty. Okay, in the Nifty, what have happened today? In the first of all, we will let you know and explain what we have to do tomorrow today, and what we have done today, and what we have to do tomorrow. Okay, so starting with the markets opening, we have seen that the levels which I have posted. So this was the as a selling area. You can see here we have got some bearish confirmation that two consecutive bearish candle, or you can say that the first candle itself is a bearish. So this key first sellers were dominant. Sellers were dominating here on the first 5 minutes. After the first 5 minutes, sellers domination market have taken the SL of these first initial sellers, and again some have again entered, and again they have taken the stop losses. It means sellers are here active here, and they were trying to accumulate the puts. So by taking the SL of the retailers, they have taken this SL, and which has caused them to take the put side and exit the put side and take the call side by looking at these green candles. Okay, so now what is the next move? Okay, now this is the selling area, and you can see the SL. So as per the closing and SL basis, you can see if you will compare, the SL is always nearly almost 20 points in the spot chart. Okay, so in futures it was very less if you are using ITM option, not other options. Okay, ITM or ATM also. So maybe 30 points also we can take the maximum risk from here, from this selling area. Now whereas we have got the reward of 100 points, you can see from 813 to 929. If you will minus also, you will get more than 100 points as per the targets. Okay, if you will calculate also, by the chance you have entered from here, then also that is 100 point, and if you have entered as per the chart basis, then also 116 points is the nearly in the spot. So we are not saying that everyone can take entry, but the thing is risk reward you can refer. The risk was here 20 points, but the reward we have got almost 80 to 100 points. I am saying it is the minimum point we are getting in the futures chart. Okay, now only thing is that you have to wait patiently and let the target to hit here, and after that again market have consolidated near the day lows. So what does it mean? Whenever market is here at this day's low, so it is going upside, and again I am sure, see this candle you can see again breakdown came, and again some have again entered here, but again the market have rallied upside to take the SL of this again buyers, and again tomorrow it is possible that it can hit more low, because on the daily time frame you will see here we have got the closing is bearish only. So as per the closing basis, the Nifty is below, and what is the next target we can expect? So this is the swing we are expecting to break tomorrow. Okay, so if tomorrow market breaks this, or maybe today's low if it is breaking, so that can be a good possible if the initial hour or initial 15 to 30 minutes, if we are get a very good fall in the initial, so after that the initial we can again, if we rise, can be possible. Okay, so let's see what is tomorrow coming, because these are the initial, and we have got two bearish confirmation, means back to back 2 days. Okay, 2 days bearish closing. This is the important you have to understand, because Nifty whenever bearish closing happens back to back 2 days, that is also near the day lows, because market have tried to go upside but it is not going. Because let me show you, you can see here breakdown and again rise, and again breakdown and again rise, and this is again preparation of the breakdown. So tomorrow you have to be prepared. Can be possible that Sensex can be a good momentum wise, or in the bullish or bearish, that can be possible on the price action. So let's see what's coming tomorrow. Rest we will see after the market opening. Okay, now the same is our next, that is our crude oil. In the crude oil today we have got that we can get the selling levels from here, selling area, but we have also taken the SL because the SL was 5120. Okay, but post that we have not got also very any closing after that, and again we are the downside. You can see the market is here, and again it's sell and rise again, and I am expecting these lows and these targets to be hitting very soon in the coming days. If this candle is again closing bearish and it is a 2 hour time frame, even on the daily time frame also markets are negative, but that depends on the closing. Let's see what is the closing. If we are closing below the downside, or tomorrow may be possible we can see some rise and again taking the stop losses of the buyers, some pullback and again falling from higher levels. So we can again say that we can go for the downside. Understood? This is how the market is working nowadays. It has to take the liquidity of the buyers and then again it has to fall. Because the market is always, you can see, falling and then pull back and again fall, again little pullback, again fall. So this fall has been compensated by this retracement, and this is the retracement. So maybe this one more retracement can possible, and after that again those who are entering sellers here, they can again take the SL and again it will be hunting, and again by taking the day highs, means on the daily time frame, taking the previous day's highs as a stop loss as a hunting, because many people keep the stop loss as previous day's highs and all. Okay, so this is how it can be possible. So after that market again it will be here and again it can fall in the coming days. So you have to wait and watch, and maybe possible again here from here we can see the breakdown also. So this is very important as the targets are of downside is 4898. Okay. In the monthly time frame also, if you will see here, in the monthly time frame the markets are very bearish as per the monthly candle. Okay, and we are seeing the breakdown, and last month market was fully consolidating here. So this is the inside candle. As soon as this candle breakdowns or breakouts, so I am expecting if breakdown, so this can give a very good downside momentum which will be rallying to this levels nearly 4400 also. So you have to be ready for this market momentum, and you have to be very patiently waiting for the markets. Okay, so this can be possible up to 4300 targets can be possible at this level. Okay, not this one. So this is how we can expect the, if the breakdown is coming in the coming few days. So I am expecting these levels of the crude oil, that is 4373 also. So I will post the updated levels of downside also, but you have to wait and watch here. Currently, we are bullish stance, or you can say the crude is on the sell on rise only. Okay, sell on rise. Now moving out to the next topic or the next chart, that is silver. So basically, silver we have given yesterday in our personal that we have bullish, and today the silver has given very good move as expected. I was expecting the gold also, but it has not given the gold. So silver has, from this was the SL and all, so currently the target 1 and target 2 have been reached, but after post that market is fully consolidating full days. Okay, now what can be the next move? It can again some downside possible, and again it can reach to the next, that is 2 lakh 8,000. Okay, but that depends fully on the closing basis and the stop losses and other things. Currently, I am not expecting something, but it's better to ignore this silver unless we are trading above this one. Okay, this highs. So once we close above the day highs of the previous first, second target, we can get closing. Then only we will expect for the upside. Otherwise, we will not take any trade for the upside. Okay, so this is for the our gold. Now let's come towards the gold chart. Now what is happening in the gold? So gold is also a consolidating from the last 2 days, and you can see here the gold chart basically. If you will see in the smaller time frame or hourly or time frame, you can see here the market is going down and up. This is the sideways range. Okay, so this is called a ascending triangle, or what to say, planet shape. Okay, so market is just consolidating as the type of shape. What is this consolidating health? It gives us breakout or breakdown. You can see here. Markets are taking this support, and this is the resistance. Again support, and again resistance, and again support. Now again we are getting upside. So you have to see, and this squeezing. So tomorrow we will get any one side breakout or breakdown. We can possible that can be happening tomorrow. So you have to be very keen. And if gold is closing positive today, so we can again expect more upside in the today's today's levels. Okay, whereas silver is not given some move. Already it has given some move, but it is not happening with the gold. Okay, the gold is lagging behind, and as per the lagging, you can see also in the daily time frame chart, this is the area from where the gold has consolidated, and after the consolidation it is giving the breakout. So now again consolidation. So it is like consolidate, breakout, consolidate, and again breakout can be possible for the upside. So you have to wait and watch. If any higher time frame, that is hourly or 2 hour candle, gives closing of gold in the bullish time frame, you have to go for the bullish side, because the gold is on the buy in dip only. Don't sell it unless we are getting. Although we are in the gold, that is, this is the first candle, and the first candle range of today's of 2 hours is basically an inside candle. So all day market was a sideways. So in this matter, I always prefer to ignore this type of market. Okay, and second thing is natural gas. I am not looking something. Natural gas is not currently, but because it has always taken the people's stop losses most of the time. Already we have made a very major move of downside, so it's better to ignore this. Again, we can expect this gap filling can be processed, but after pullback only we can go and sell. Okay, so that's all we have to do, and this is our the daily news, daily headlines or daily analysis chart for the tomorrow. So that's all, guys. Thank you. Have a nice and good night, guys. Bye bye. Take care.